Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Muhammad Zaman Ashraf. I welcome you all in heterocyclic chemistry. Today, our topic is oxetane. Oxetane is a four-membered heterocyclic compound. It contains oxygen as a heteroatom. I will discuss the structure and methods which are used for the preparation of oxetane. So let's start with the structure of oxetane. We have this is oxetane. We have heteroatom. So if we compare the ring strain or the stability of this four-membered ring with three-membered ring, in my previous lecture I have discussed the properties, preparation and chemical reactivity of oxirane. This oxirane is highly strained molecule. As compared to oxirane, this oxetane is more stable because of smaller ring strain. So here angle strain is smaller as compared to oxirane. So its structure is structure of oxirane. अगर आप इसकी जो है बात करें, सपोज अगर आप इस तरह इसे देखें, then here we have hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. So these hydrogens, if structure is planar, then they are eclipsed to each other. So eclipsing this CH eclipsing of hydrogen, it is decreased by ring puckering. अगर आप इसकी जो है वो इसका structure, then its structure is distorted square shaped. Suppose we have here like that, hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. So when this ring is puckered, then this CH eclipsing, it is decreased, and thus stability of this oxirane, it is increased. So if this oxetane, it is more stable as compared to oxirane, then ring opening reaction of oxirane, it is more easily possible. On the other hand, the ring opening reaction of this oxetane are slower as compared to oxirane. So this ring puckered ring, it is converted into an other form. अगर आप इसे जो है वो like that. So it increased the stability of this oxetane. So let's start with the preparation of oxetane. The first method which is used for the preparation of oxetane is starting from gamma substituted alcohols. So we have a hydroxyl group. So alcohols which possess electron withdrawing or good leaving group present at gamma position, they can be converted into oxetane. So these reactions, they will be catalyzed by the presence of base. Suppose we have OH, this is alpha carbon, beta carbon, and here we have gamma carbon. अगर यहाँ जो है वो Cl group attached है, then this lone pair attacks at this carbon and the Cl is removed, and we have O positively charged. So base like Cl negative, it then abstract this hydrogen. It results in the formation of oxetane. Similarly, diols, अगर आपके पास OH. OH. So again, this is alpha, beta, gamma, alpha, beta, gamma. So this hydroxyl is forming, this is bad leaving group. So if it is converted into a good leaving group by reacting with, अगर आप इसका रिएक्शन जो है वो कर लें सल्फोनाइल क्लोराइड के साथ, then one of these hydroxyl, it react with this sulfur and we have sulfonate. So hydroxyl, when it is converted into this sulfonate, it will become a good leaving group. Again, then this lone pair attacks at this carbon and this group is removed. We have again this positive charge और फिर जो है वो this negative charge or base, it abstract this hydrogen and we get oxytane, our product. Okay. Also if this diol, अगर आप इस diol का reaction जो है वो ब्यूटाइल लिथियम के साथ करते हैं, then yield it can be improved. Butyl lithium, then we have, suppose here we have O negative, lithium positive and OH. Again अगर आप जो है वो सल्फोनाइल क्लोराइड के साथ इसका रिएक्शन करें, ठीक है, then you can prepare tosylate, this negative charge attack है this sulfur, क्योंकि यहाँ जब आप रिएक्शन कर रहे हैं this hydroxyl it react with this sulfur replace the Cl, but when you use butyl lithium then this strong base it abstract this hydrogen and we have O negative, this O negative फिर ये जो है वो सल्फोनेट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. Then we have O, then same sequence उसी तरह जो है वो ये फिर यहाँ अगर ब्यूटाइल लिथियम यहाँ यूज़ करते हैं तो इसका भी वो नेगेटिव चार्ज प्रोड्यूस कर देगा और फिर आपके पास positive charge and then the base it remove this hydrogen and we get our final product. So here we have gamma substituted alcohol, gamma substituted diol, gamma substituted diol. This hydroxide is converted into sulfonate which will become a good leaving group, and here Cl is present which is already a good leaving group. Then hydroxyl attacks at this gamma position, replace the this leaving group, results in the formation of oxytane. The second method which is used for the preparation of oxytane is from Bertillon-Busschi reaction. This reaction is actually photochemical 2+2 cycloaddition reaction. जिस तरह आप डील्स ऑर्डर रिएक्शन 4+2 एडिशन जो है देखते हैं, दिस इज 2+2 साइक्लो एडिशन रिएक्शन जिसमें आपके जो रिएक्टेंट्स हैं ये जो है वो अल्कीन प्लस कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड्स. So alkenes and carbonyl compounds through 2+2 cycloaddition reaction results in the formation of oxytane. Suppose we have this alkene and we have carbonyl compound, in the presence of we have oxytane. So the mechanism of reaction, it is determined by the presence of दिस अल्कीन, अगर आपके पास यहाँ इलेक्ट्रॉन विदड्रॉइंग ग्रुप्स हैं देन कंसर्टेड मैकेनिज्म होगा, और अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप्स होंगे देन रेडिकल मैकेनिज्म होगा विच इज डाई रेडिकल मैकेनिज्म. सो लेट्स डिस्कस ईच वन बाय वन. वी हैव अल्कीन. If alkene, they are substituted with this CN group. The CN group, they are electron withdrawing group. They react with C double bond O, R, R. So the 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction, it involves the concerted mechanism, and we have O, this is R of this carbonyl compound, and here we have Cn. So it means this reaction is स्टीरियोस्पेसिफिक रिएक्शन कि अगर आप जो है वो इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन विदड्रॉइंग ग्रुप्स जो है वो आप ये रिएक्शन करेंगे देन तो योर सिस अल्कीन इट विल गिव्स अस सिस प्रोडक्ट. यहाँ जो ओरिएंटेशन है इन सियानो ग्रुप्स की, इलेक्ट्रॉन विदड्रॉइंग ग्रुप्स की, ये सेम होगी. ठीक है. बट ऑन द अदर हैंड if electron donating groups are present then diradical mechanism जो है वो होगा, और फिर वो जो radical प्रोड्यूस होगा उसकी ओरिएंटेशन ये डिसाइड करेगी कि सिस या ट्रांस प्रोडक्ट जो है वो बनती है. लेट्स हम उसे जो है वो डिस्कस करते हैं. इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप, सपोज वी हैव कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड. हियर इंस्टेड ऑफ cyano we have methyl groups. Methyl groups, they are electron donating group. So in the presence of, this is C double bond O, here we have R and R. So one of the electron goes here and one here. The other electron ये जो है वो यहाँ होगा और ये यहाँ होगा. We have O, and here ये आपके पास कार्बन R, this radical. Fine. And here we have another radical. This is the orientation of methyl group. सो इफ यहाँ आप देख रहे हैं दिस इज फ्री रेडिकल. अगर तो इसी कंडीशन में जो है वो इनकी अटैचमेंट होती है देन वी गेट दिस प्रोडक्ट. यहाँ सिस आपके पास ऑक्सीटेन आ जाएगा. ऑन द अदर हैंड सपोज दिस फ्री रेडिकल it changed its orientation and we have CH3, but this group it changed its orientation and we have, if we go back to the observer then इस कंडीशन में अगर जो है वो अटैचमेंट होती है then you have and other product CH3 and here we have trans orientation. These are. So it means configuration of your product either cis or trans, it is controlled by this radical. अगर तो radical इसी फॉर्म में जो है वो combine होगा then you get this cis product, and if this radical change its orientation at this position and methyl group it goes away from the observer, then by combining these two free radicals we get this product which is trans. So it means configuration, this is controlled by orientation of this free radical. This is Patino-Bushi synthesis and they accidentally अगर आप जो है वो देखें this carbonyl group of aldehyde or ketone यहाँ आप इनकॉर्पोरेट करते हैं, but carbonyl group of ketones and esters, carboxylic acids. So quinone and ester carbonyl group, it can also be incorporated instead of using this carbonyl of aldehydes and ketones for the synthesis of oxetane. So this is all about the structure and preparation of oxetane. In my upcoming lecture, I will discuss the chemical reactivity of oxetane. Thank you very much.